Hello to my kindergarten readers. Today I am going to read another informational text to you. The cover says, "What Do Plants Need?" by Deborah Kastner. So the title is "What Do Plants Need?" and the author is Deborah Kastner. She wrote the words in this text. Since it is an informational text, all of the words are going to tell about things that are true. Now, look at the photo on the front cover. It shows a plant growing in water. Usually I see plants growing in dirt. I thought plants need dirt to grow. Do you think that plants need dirt to grow? What about water? Let's read to find out. Now let's look at this page. This is the title page. It shows the title, "What Do Plants Need?" and the name of the author again, Deborah Kastner. And down here, this is the table of contents. And there are more photographs of plants. I can predict by looking at these chapters. Chapter 1, plants need water. Chapter 2, plants need air and light. And Chapter 3, plants need space. I can predict that this text will help me learn that plants need water, air, light, and space. Here are some words that you are going to hear and what you need to be thinking about. Air. Air means you cannot see air, but you breathe air. Light. Plants get light from light bulbs and from the sun. Plants. Many plants grow on Earth. Space. Space is a place for plants to grow. Sunlight. Sunlight is the light that comes from the sun. And water. Plants can get water in many ways. All right, introduction. Look outside. Do you see trees, grass, or flowers? The plants that you see are living things. All plants need water, air, light, and space to stay alive. How do these things help plants stay alive? The words tell me on this page, boys and girls, that all plants need water, air, light, and space. The photos show that the plants can get these things in different places. These plants are alive because they have the things they need. So I see in this picture there are flowers and it's raining, so it's getting its water from the rain. I see here there's the desert. Here is a forest, and I see the sunlight in both the desert picture and the forest. And I see a big field and flowers, and maybe this is showing how it has its space. Chapter 1, plants need water. Water helps plants grow. Roots, stems, leaves, and flowers can grow when plants get water. The photograph on this page has labels. The text and the picture are working together to help us understand where to look for each part of this plant. And boys and girls, you will be doing an activity this week by labeling. So here are the labels. Flower. This label says stem. It's pointing to the stem. This label says leaf, and it's pointing to the leaf. And then down here it says roots, and it's pointing to the plant's roots. Figure it out. This plant is inside a home. How can this plant get water? These plants get water from the rain. Chapter 2. Plants need air and light. Did you know that plants make their own food? The food is sugar. Plants need air and light to make sugar. If a plant does not get light, then the plant cannot make food. Plants that grow outside get sunlight. Air and light get inside plants through their holes. If a plant has leaves, then the holes are in the leaves. A cactus has holes in the stem. Plants need air and light. Living things use air. The air we breathe has oxygen and carbon dioxide. Plants use the carbon dioxide in the air to make sugar. After making sugar, plants put oxygen back into the air. Plants and animals use oxygen in the air to make energy, to stay alive. They put carbon dioxide back into the air. Chapter 3. Plants need space. Plants need space, or a place to grow. Some plants grow far away from other plants. Some plants grow close together. Farmers give plants just the right amount of space to grow. Now I hear an expression there that farmers give just the right amount. And that means it's the perfect portion, not too little and not too much. Just the right amount. Conclusion. Plants are living things. Plants need water, air, light, and space. And here they have pictures of each of those. What do plants need? Water to grow roots and stems, to grow leaves and flowers. Air, oxygen, and carbon dioxide helps them to make food and to use food to stay alive. Gives them energy. Light. They need that light to make that food. And space. They need the space to get water, air, and sunlight and to be able to grow. All right, boys and girls. I think the most interesting fact is that plants make their own food out of just light, air, and water. This is really cool because it is so different from how people make food, isn't it? Now, I know that the main topic of this story was about what plants need. Now, I hope you enjoyed the story, and I would like you to continue and do the activity on Seesaw. See you soon, readers.